So the Chinese only have these deep ultraviolet lithography machines. That's like a lot of syllables, but it's just a glorified chip. Like it's a giant laser that zaps your chips to like make the chips when you're fabbing them.
So we're talking about like you do these atomic layer patterns on the chips and shit, and like what this UV thing does is it like fires like a really high power
laser
beam. Yeah, they attach to the head of sharks that just shoot at the chips.
Yeah.
Sorry, that was like an Austin Powers. Anyway, they'll like shoot it at the chips, and that causes, depending on how the thing is designed, they'll like have a liquid layer of the stuff that's going to go on the chip. The UV is really, really tight and causes it to harden. And then they wash off the liquid and they do it all over again.
Like basically, this is just imprinting a pattern on a chip. So
whatever fancy tiny printer.
Yeah. So that's it. And so the exquisite machines that we get to use, or that they get to use in Taiwan, are called extreme ultraviolet lithography machines. These are those crazy lasers. The ones that China can use, because we've prevented them from getting any of those extreme ultraviolet lithography machines, the ones China uses are previous generation machines called deep ultraviolet, and they can't actually make chips as high a resolution as ours. So what they do is, and what this article is about is, they basically take the same chip, they zap it once with DUV, and then they got to pass it through again, zap it again to get closer to the level of resolution we get in one pass with our exquisite machine. Now, the problem with that is you got to pass the same chip through multiple times, which slows down your whole process. It means your yields at the end of the day are lower.
It adds errors. Yep.
Yeah, which makes it more costly. We've known that this is a thing